Listen and practice episode 2. Once upon a time in a small village, there was a young student named Ethan. Ethan was eager to learn about courage and patience. One day, his teacher, Mr. Hamid, told him a story. Long ago, there was a brave warrior named Ali. Ali was fighting for justice and protecting his people. During a battle, an enemy approached Ali angrily and spat in his face out of hatred. Ali's sword was ready to strike, but he stopped. He remembered that he was fighting for God pleasure, not personal revenge. Ali took a deep breath and decided to forgive the enemy. The enemy was surprised and ashamed of his action. He lowered his sword and left the battlefield peacefully. Ethan listened carefully and asked, "Teacher, why didn't Ali fight back?" Mr. Hamid smiled and said, "Because real courage is patience and self-control." Ethan thought deeply about the story. He realized that anger can blind a person, but patience can teach strength. From that day, Ethan tried to be calm when others upset him. He forgave his classmates when they were rude or unfair. Ethan learned that true heroism is not in hurting others, but in controlling oneself, and he remembered Ali's lesson every time he felt angry. Morale, patience, and forgiveness are stronger than anger and revenge. Let's read this section in English, please. Aim to finish it within 2 minutes. Take your time to understand it, but let's practice our speed.